Hello dear winners, today we're going to be making the most delicious fruity zobo that you're going to see on the internet. I love this recipe because it doesn't cost so much and yet the flavors are amazing. And if you're trying to cut down on using sugar, you can actually afford to skip adding sugar if you'd prefer to just have it sweet, but if you'd want to add sugar, it is still very okay. So without any waste of time, let's go right into the video. So you're going to need some zobo leaves, some cucumber. I've sliced them into large chunks. Then the pineapple leaves the pineapple skin, then the pineapple itself. You're going to also have some watermelon and then some ground ginger or the ginger puree. You're going to add some cloves. Then you're going to blend all of these fruits together until it is perfectly smooth. Now the smoother you blend your fruits, the easier you're able to extract the juice. You're going to put that in a container until you blend all of the fruits together. So this zobo drink is very healthy and a perfect substitute if you're trying to cut down on carbonated drinks or taking processed drinks or foods and all of that. This is a perfect substitute. It is healthy and you get to add whatever fruits you'd like, but in this case these are the fruits I'm using, and if you follow this recipe you're absolutely going to love the taste. It was so refreshing, and I know that whoever you offer this zobo drink to is absolutely going to love it. So we're done blending. I've put all of the juices together and I'm just going to keep that or set that aside. But before doing that, we're going to add half part of the ginger that we have blended already, and we're going to use the remaining portion in boiling the zobo leaves. Okay, so you're going to set that aside. You can put it in the fridge so that it can start to cool down before the zobo drink is ready. So we're going to put all of the washed zobo leaves in a clean pot, and you're going to add water. You're going to make sure that the water is like halfway above the zobo leaves, and you're going to go in with the cloves. You're going to add the pineapple peels, and you're going to also add half the part of ginger that we left. So you're going to leave that to boil for about 20 to 30 minutes just so that we're able to extract all of the juice from the zobo leaves. And you're going to use a strainer and you'd strain the zobo drink, that's separating the chaff or the zobo leaves from the juice itself. So once you're done, you're going to set that aside to cool a bit before you now add the puree of all of the fruits and veggies that we blended earlier. So this is just me adding that into the pot of zobo, and I wanted it to be a little bit sweeter, so I added sugar. But like I said, you can actually skip this step, but if you don't mind having a little sugar in your zobo, you can add the sugar to the zobo. And we're going to strain it again just to ensure that all of the chaff is properly separated from the zobo drink, so that we can just have a fine zobo drink. So this is a cheesecloth, and it's it's finer than using a sieve because the holes are a lot tinier. So you're just going to strain that until all of it is completely sieved. So let me just add that this quantity of zobo was able to fill about 12 plus, about 12 to 14 bottles, 50 cl containers. So you can, if you want to sell this, you can actually do that. And yes, so just in case you probably want to use this as a business, as a startup or something, then yes, you know that this particular quantity would give you about 12 to 14 bottles of zobo drink. So after straining, this is all of the chaff that I'm left with from the blended veggies and fruits. So make sure you blend your fruits well so that you don't end up having a lot of chaff. Now this is our zobo drink, looking so lush, so juicy, so fruity, very beautiful, and the aroma was so good. Please remember to like this video, share, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't. I hope you found this recipe helpful and you'd be trying it out. Let me know if you have any questions and I'll address them. The quantity of zobo that I used and every detailed thing I added would be in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and if you stayed till the end, thank you so much again. Feel free to check out our other amazing recipes on this channel, and I'll see you in my next post. Bye.